Hello children, today we are going to read futuristic solar gadgets. That means gadgets which will be using the solar power. But why we should give emphasis on using solar power? The fact is that solar power is or solar energy is clean energy or safe energy. Solar energy is a safe alternative which can replace current fossil fuels. That means fossil fuels are the fuels that are obtained from burning coal or petroleum or different kinds of gases. So, solar energy is a safe alternative which can replace current fossil fuels like coal and gas for generation of electricity that produce air, water and land pollution. Use of solar energy will eliminate these unsafe, unclean consequences from using conventional fossil fuels. Solar energy does not cause any pollution. It is called clean energy. So, we must give emphasis on using solar energy. And fossil fuels generates carbon dioxide, carbon monoxide and other harmful greenhouse gases which trap heat and causes global warming. That is why we should use this solar power or different alternative source of energies. Now, what is solar energy? Solar energy is simply the light and heat that come from the sun. People can harness the sun's energy in a few different ways, like photovoltaic cells, which converts sunlight into electricity. Solar thermal technology, where heat from the sun is used to make hot water or steam. This steam is used to move the turbine and to generate electricity. Now you will read the term solar panel. Now what is solar panel? Solar panel is a panel designed to absorb the sun's rays as a source of energy for generating electricity or heating. These solar panels are fitted with different gadgets that absorb the solar energy and convert it into electricity. These are the solar panels. Now let's start the chapter. In picture number 1, it has a inbuilt solar panels to provide enough power for a week after just 1 hour of charging. It uses Bluetooth technology, so owners can unlock their bikes using a smartphone. It alerts the owner if their bike is under theft situation and alerts the authorities if the owner gets into an accident. This is solar powered bike lock. Picture number 2. This 3-wheeled bicycle car has a 100-watt solar panel on its roof and an aluminium alloy, that is a mixture of aluminium frame. Its speed is about 32 km per hour. It can move over 24 km on solar charge, and even if its power is completely drained, you can always pedal it. So if the solar panel power is extinguished, you can pedal the vehicle. This is Velomobile. This is called Velomobile. In picture number 3, this sports car has a rooftop panel to store solar energy needed to run the car. It reduces air pollution and saves fossil fuels. It uses a special solar concentration lens like magnifying glass to concentrate solar rays and divert to solar panels. These are the solar panels fitted on the roof of the car. So the technique is that it uses a lens that concentrates the solar energy and that then divert it to the solar panels which generates the electricity and the power. Picture number 4. The solar power structure is the world's largest solar bridge. It is 281-meter long road bridge over the river Thames, that is in London. Its solar panels generate enough energy to lead the bridge whole night. It is London's Blackfriars Bridge. London's Blackfriars Bridge. London's Blackfriars Bridge is fitted with 4,400 photovoltaic panels which generate 935 megawatt of electricity annually. In quiz time, picture number 1, it is the picture of solar power tents. In the dark world, this solar power tents can give light facility. In picture number 2, it is the picture of dividing print. Thank you.